This is for all the Hellraisers out there. This is called Jump in the Fire.
Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Jump in the Fire Charred ship now. I got this from a friend. This version, all the Jump in the Fire ship notes were signed, 25 of them by each band member, and we'll see who signed this one. Hopefully James. Limited to 100 pieces worldwide. 99. It was $100 for this thing. And let's see if we got something extra. No, just paper. Yeah, just paper. Let's put it on the side. And open this baby. On this series of ship knobs, they all were signed by the members, like I said. They are all signed, all 100. With the other ship knobs, only 25 of them were signed. You can already see the sign right there. I'm not gonna show you. And then, dang it, come out. Oh, it's really dark. Like I said, on the other ship nubs, there were signed 25 of them just by one band member, and this series of ship nubs, they were all signed. And this one signed by Cook. He kind of messed up right there. I don't know. It's kind of hard to sign right there. And all of these have a hologram, which is really nice. I wish they would have done that on the previous ship notes. Detail on this, pretty nice. Not as good as the older ship notes. Well, that was it. Just for a size comparison, I have another knob here. This one's pretty chunky. Have the red lines here, and they're about the same height, but this one's kind of wider. Pretty nice. Put it in the box. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching.